Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with basically turning on and off this mode quickly, and after that I'll show you how to get into proper settings to customize it. So let's unroll the top bar. We can unroll it fully to see also the names of the icons. And right here we've got the eye cursor. This is the toggle, the button we are looking for. Let's simply tap on it in order to activate the eye comfort mode. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode, this option. You can turn it off the same way just by tapping on it, and in order to quickly enter the settings which are connected with the eye comfort, simply tap on this icon and hold it long enough so your device will transfer you to the settings. But to be honest, I'd like to show you the full path of how to enter proper options. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find display and brightness. Now let's find the eye care option. Let's tap on the switcher to turn it on and simply tap on this option directly in order to get into those options. Let's start with the intensity. With the usage of this switcher, we can make it cooler just by going to the left and warmer just by going to the right. We can custom the schedule if we want to, so we do not have to manually turn on and off this option. We can simply pick the start and the end time, and your device will apply those hours and automatically turn on and off the the option. And we can also set it from sunset to sunrise, so basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe this option is location based. Of course, you can tap on off and you will get back to the manual option. All right. Let's go back, and basically this is it. This is how to enable and how to customize the eye comfort mode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.